Welcome all. So today's topic is black magic and dreams, and black magic and supernatural elements as well. Okay, so let's get started. Now, see, the topic as it suggests, it's about dreams and black magic. That how black magic can be done even in dreams, and how even sometimes supernatural elements try to take your affirmation in your dreams as well. Okay, this is the topic basically that I'm going to be talking about today. Okay, so see, you need to understand one thing, that black magic has different ways and departments through which it can be done. Okay, and it's such a vast subject in itself that it is very difficult to, I would say, define it in few words or in a few paragraphs as well. Okay, considering this fact, we have to understand that we have previously talked about that how black magic can be done through your photo, hair, nails, all the other things. Okay, but this is a very tricky one today that I'm talking about. Here we are talking about that once you're sleeping, okay, there are ways, like the evil tantrics or people who know about the process. Okay, they have your photograph. Through that, through your vibrations, through everything, your frequencies, they can actually make you watch a dream as well, because they can come in those vibrations and frequencies of your body, the aura, through which they can actually make you see a dream in which they will ask for an affirmation. For example, like if you get a dream that there is a black lady, I mean a lady in a in black clothes, and you seeing her in your dreams while sleeping, and she's asking for your permission as to, can I come in, can I come in your house, am I allowed? Okay, and you very strangely seeing the dream and wondering that who's this lady, and she's wearing dressed up all in black clothes, and why she's asking for my affirmation that I can come or not. And even in the confusion of who she is and what the hell is going on, if you say okay fine, yes you can come in, that is a entrance and a sign and a permission that you have granted to that particular entity through whatever medium it has been sent towards you, or that energy, that negative energy which has been sent towards you, to enter your premises or enter your zone. Now that can be your house, your own aura, your own surroundings, anything. Basically, these are considered to be few of the processes through which black magic or any supernatural entity can enter your life. It is the easiest when they ask for a permission from you. Okay, and mostly it is done in your dreams. So, and also not just black magic, like I said, the topic says black magic and supernatural entities. Sometimes when you cross few places in which things are thrown on the roads, or maybe there are places in which supernatural entities are already sitting, maybe you are not associated with them at all, but they're just there, and they start getting attracted towards you in several places and want to follow you, and they want to come along with you to your places wherever you go. In that case also, these entities also have this automatic power to ask you that whether they can enter your life through your dreams. They will come in any form. They will not show their true entity or their true face. They will just show a part or a partial thing of theirs. Like I said, for example, a black lady, or maybe a man who the face is not very visible, and the man is just sitting, and you can see the back of the man, the backside of the man completely from the back, and he's asking, or he's looking very sad, or he's asking for permission that, can I come in, or can I talk to you, or can we be friends. These kind of cases have also come to us, that they are asking for your permission to enter, or sometimes they even call you outside from your house. Yes, this is also very important. Sometimes these entities, or through black magic also, they are trying to get you out in the night from your house. Like we talk about the night, the sleeping disorder, in which a person starts walking, I don't know what is it called in the medical terms, in which you have a tendency to walk in your sleep, right? So even if you're not having, I'm giving you an example that this is how it happens, it's not necessary you need to have this disease, but it is something like that. This is a kind of scenario is created that they will try to hypnotize you, or they will try to control your mind, and they will, you sleeping, and suddenly you will be like seeing something in your dream that there is somebody outside to my house and I need to unlock the doors of my house, and that person is calling me, and let me go with that person. So that person will call you that please come out, please come out, come towards me, unlock your doors, come to me. And you will see all this in the dreams, but at the same time you will be actually doing all these things also physically. Yes, it may sound very silly, but I have come across cases in which people have done this, that they were telling me that, what, Guru Didi, we actually were seeing this, and something was telling us we were not in our control. It seemed as if we were hypnotized, and we were unlocking the doors, we were walking towards the corridor, and we reached till the entrance, the main gate, and the moment we were trying to unlock something struck me that what is going on. Maybe my dog came scratching to me, or something suddenly saved me by doing that, and I was shocked that how come I'm all the way out from my bedroom till my entrance door. And this is a true story that I'm telling you, and this story I mentioned also in one of my books. Okay, so if you're getting these kind of dreams, if you're getting these kind of scenarios in your life suddenly, this is alarming. This is very, very alarming. You have to be alert and take a precaution before itself, because this can actually further get on to a bigger trouble supernaturally. Okay, so if you're facing anything like this, you can get your case study done from us, and be sure about what is going on, and which is a paid service. Of course, case study and diagnosis is a paid service, and if it is nothing like this, then of course it's great. But if something like this is happening in reality, then you really need to pull your socks up and do something about it. Get rid of this, get this diffused, whatever is going on. Not from us, maybe from anywhere else, but at least you will know that what is going on. Okay, so that's about it. I'll come up with another topic next week. Till then, goodbye.